Ever feel like your to-do list grows faster than you can cross things off? Knowledge workers today face relentless distractions, chaotic calendars, and the dread of burnout from mismanaged priorities. The time management pack stops the madness with battle tested frameworks. The Eisenhower matrix for ruthless prioritization, ABCDE method for task categorization, Pomodoro templates with embedded focus timers, calendar blocking guides that sync with Google Outlook, and habit trackers with analytics dashboards. This isn't just for spreadsheet fanatics. Data analysts drowning in Jira tickets, developers juggling sprint deadlines, and consultants managing client chaos all get their productivity superpowers here. Master time, or it'll master you. Here's what's inside the time management pack. Phase 1: Prioritization engine setup with drag and drop framework templates. Phase 2: Pomodoro session builder with ambient noise integrations and auto tracking. Phase 3: Calendar optimization wizard that identifies time sinks in your existing schedule. Phase 4: Habit formation dashboard with streak tracking and habit stacking logic. Phase 5: Cross-platform sync protocols for seamless Notion, Trello, and Asana integration. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't a band-aid, it's a productivity operating system. Installing the time management pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add time management pack. That's it. You'll download the full workflow: 12 prioritization templates, 7 calendar optimization scripts, 5 habit tracker blueprints, and the Pomodoro automation engine. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands: block my calendar for deep work, or run the Eisenhower audit on these tasks. No PhD in spreadsheets required. Just type optimize my week and watch the magic happen. Your calendar's about to become your superpower,